Hi everyone, once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by IMS. My name is Siddhant, and as you have already must have seen on our YouTube channel that we are there with on the topic, the videos have been there where we have been talking about few colleges which are majorly in a particular state. Okay, so we covered up the law colleges in Maharashtra. You must have seen that video. If not, go check it out. The link is also being provided on the channel. Now in this video, we'll be taking up law colleges, majorly all law colleges which are there in the most famous state, that is Karnataka.
To book a free one-on-one law counseling online or at any IMS center, check out the link in the description box or the pinned comment below.
Why I'm talking? Because of this college. Yes, this is India's #1 university, that is NLSIU Bangalore, which is the dream college, the only law college in the country where everyone after clearing their CLAT exams aims for it. Okay, so in this video I'll be taking up few of the universities or the colleges which are in Karnataka. There are few factors which I'm going to talk about, and I would request all of you to please watch this video till the end, because if you'll watch it till the end, you will going to have all the necessary information. And with this video, while watching, if you have any question, any query, or any college which you want that we should talk about it, drop it to the comment section and let us know. Okay, so the first college on the screen is NLSIU Bangalore, which is the dream college of everyone, which have been established in the year 1986. So if you talk about the years around, it has been near about 30 years or maybe like 40 years on an average, or we'll say 38 to 40 years have been already there in the country, which is a very huge establishment which has happened in this year. And this college have been responsible of giving us one of the most famous judges, the lawyers, advocates of the country, who's taking us in the justice legal system. Okay, so the affiliated university, it's a deemed state university under National Law School of India Act 1986, have been recognized by UGC, BCI, NIRF rank #1. So NIRF ranking is basically the ranking of all the colleges on multiple parameters it happens, but besides of also NIRF, this is the most demanded college by the students after they give up for the CLAT exam. Okay. So the placement report is anytime is way better than any other college. Their PPOs is nearly around a median package, that's an average package of 17 lakh per annum is the number. So that means you just think of that once you are done with the CLAT exam, you can, after clearing your law 5 years, you can get a package around this, and it's either a pre-placement offer, which majorly means that you are already in an internship, and once you have done outstanding in your academics and internship, you can easily get this thing. So 35 students from 2025 of the batch secured these before the day zero. Top international packages up to 60 lakh per annum like the Linklaters, and top domestic packages which majorly ranges about 20 to 22 lakhs, and in comparison with the fees you give, it's very good return on investment. Next we have the seat matrix. So it totally a few years back the seats increased, so it reached up to number 310, where they take up the domicile portion, the categories and everything has been there. So these are the breakdowns which has been given. So for the final breakdown, you can definitely go and visit the consortium's website. There the brochure prospectus of all the national law colleges being provided. Just check the latest one. Okay, so but this is the one which is already there. So for Karnataka domicile 10, for the horizontal reservations PWD 15 women, and Karnataka domicile under horizontal reservation is 75. Now the location, it's being based out in a 23-acre urban residential campus, which is India's largest legal library being provided. And the X factor why it become the most demanded college by all the students is it's ranked #1 by NIRF. Only India GISSUP winning school 1999 and 2013, Rhodes Scholars 25 plus. So these are few accreditations, achievements which a student and the college takes up in their own name, and thus makes it outstanding and one of the most eyed on college by the recruiters of the country, that is the top-notch firms. Okay. Next we have on the screen is another private college. So this was a government college, now a private college, that is Christ University School of Law, Bangalore. So it is affiliated, deemed to be the university, that is the Christ University, UGC and BCI accredited. Year of establishment is 2006. That means again a 19-20-year-old college which is there in this city, which is again, if you want to go for a private college, you can definitely go for it, because its median package is near about 4.83, which is comparatively less. But if you'll see the top packages, it is at par with the other law colleges also, where the highest package was nearly about 20 to 22 lakhs. So this becomes a great add-on college by all these law firms, the Trilegal, Amarchand Mangaldas, Shardul and AZB Partners, HCL, IBM and so on. Their intake capacity is at par with the national law only, but not equivalent. It's 240 seats for the BA LLB honors per year. The main campus is based down on the Hosur Road in the Bangalore urban 25-acre campus. So if you will make a comparison, won't make an entry to Bangalore, NLSIU Bangalore, this is also one of the demanded college by the students. So the X factor is the central Bengaluru location, strong global recruiter presence, a prestigious deemed to be university. Their good criteria, of a strict criteria basically for the attendance, formal discipline, prepares you well for that legal career. So this becomes another required university or the college by the students. Next we have on the screen is an NMIMS, that is an RC Munji based, which is from the Kirit P. Mehta School of Law. But now you might be wondering, sir, you have already taken up it in the Mumbai also. So they have a campus in Mumbai, they even have a campus in Bangalore, which is a 2018 establishment of this particular campus. So coming from the legacy of Narsi Munji, which is again a private university, this also becomes one of the add-on college by the students, which have a great package of around 16 to 19 lakhs. On an average, it provides 14 lakh ka package, which again becomes a college to go for the recruiters like ICICI, Infosys and the Schneider. And alternate report note which states that this is an average placement which happens, ranges from 2.8 lakh to 18 lakh, and the 70% placement have been done. So that totally depends upon which segment area you go for it. If you go for any of the private law firms, then definitely you can fetch up to 15 to 16 lakh. But the number of seats comparatively less, because the NMIMS campus in the college is at multiple places in the country. So that's why the number of seats becomes less. It's again based out in the Banerghatta main road, the Kalkera post. So the most important X factor I will talk about this particular college is that it is part of the SVKM's NMIMS top tier deemed university with NAC A+ accreditation, and there have been active recruiters in the both corporate and the law firms, where they have a multiple placements of near about 15 lakh per annum. So I was just saying 15 to 20 lakh ka package is a good to go for this college. So that is a college. Now the another one which is again in the city of Bangalore, if any of the students wants to make an entry into this college, which was again established near about 15 years back, has gained importance in the private areas, where Constituent School of Alliance University has it a good establishment in the country, where the package for all the programs include 60 lakh per annum, but the average package comes down only to 8.5. The placement rate, they'd say that 100% with 800 plus recruiters and 6,000 plus job offers. So these are the data which we got from the students and from the college itself. So it says 180 seats for BA LLB honors, which provides annually. The seats might vary on year basis. Next, this is the location, but the X factor comes as, again, it's at the central Bangalore. The global tie-ups, experimental learning via Cancel NIRF law rank is 18 as per 2024, and a significant jump which has been done from the previous 25th rank to 18, which is being done by this college. So again a demanded one. And the last one which we have on the screen is the KLE Society's Law College Bengaluru, which was a bit, or I would consider one of the oldest out of all, because it's a 1975 establishment, majorly 50 years from here. So it's a good year. 5-year BA LLB introduced in 1996 and BBA LLB in 2011. So again, if we talk about this university, it's the oldest of all over here. Karnataka State Law University, Hubballi, BCI approved. Highest package, so comparatively it's the oldest, but the package have not been that great. But there have been a good recruiter which have been approaching these this particular college, that is the KLE Society Law College. The seats vary over here, which is 120 seats only, so not very great, but it is a good number, not too much, not too less, but it is a good number. And again, it is a huge campus of 32 acre with a moot court and a digital library. But the X factor comes, it has a legacy, a strong alumni basis, strong moot court culture, a digital infrastructure, and a lot of time the activities which are the practical based activities which has happened. So that is it, what was there in this video. And thank you so much guys if you have watched this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to drop into the comments and let us know which college you want to know more about it. We'll definitely going to be there a video for you people. So till then, take care, bye bye, and Siddhant sir signing off.